Okay, guys, so we're actually live. I think I didn't set up everything on this video and upload way as you do for the past, I guess, um, 3, 4 days. I got hit by COVID last Friday, and it's been hectic, drained, can't put any efforts. But now, I've actually mentioned it before to my previous customers, and there was like a special, offer. It's not a JVZoo offer. It's nothing like that. It's something that we all need as marketers. Every online business, we pay an arm and a leg every single month to email marketing platforms, funnel creation platforms like Clickfunnels. For e-commerce stores, we pay as well. To actually host our courses like on Kajaba, etc. Now, what I'm gonna actually show you on this and the pricing tag is out of this world. And though I can afford, for example, paying, and I'm sure a lot of my customers can afford as well because everybody scales their business and they know that you gotta pay some expense to actually deliver your emails to inbox and make money and etc. All of this shenanigans basically. But what we got here is something for you can actually get it yearly for so cheap. And I actually spoke to the owner, which is brilliant. And thank you so much. He actually created my very own page. I really appreciate it. Uh, where my customers can go and sign up for this special offer. You got the yearly. I'm going to show you in a bit. I don't think I actually placed the share screen yet. Let me try and do that right now. So window, okay, right here. We're gonna go with this one first. Let me see. Okay, I'm sure you can see it, but let me stick it on right now. So the solution, it's called Systeme. You're gonna be able to check the link that I got, and it gives you email marketing. Now the unlimited plan is for $97 a month. I've never seen something like that for $97 a month for unlimited content. So imagine you're actually a G. Okay, I got my own customers are around, after cleaning and everything, it's around 15,300. Okay, that's tops. I used to have like 40,000 with time. You lose, some people ditch their emails, etc. But my audience is around 15,300. In Systeme, I got like 13,000 something, and there's 2,000 other autoresponders. But yeah, and what I like about it is that it does send to unopeners. So say you send an email right now, and some people don't open the email at the time where you send the email. So you have the capability of resending to the unopeners like ConvertKit does, and many others, right? Now, let me show you quick how it looks, etc. It's very easy, and the company has a huge, massive reviews on Trustpilot. It actually competes with a lot of companies because the features it got is like 4 companies in one company for $97 a month, or yearly for a special deal that Aurelian actually gave it us. And I actually got the yearly because I'm saving around $400 something a year, right? Now, let me show you right here. Okay, sorry, I got WhatsApp on. Let me close that. Okay, so right here, let me share the screen. Okay, I think you can see it, right? Okay, so this is the dashboard. It tells you how many leads, etc. Actually, it has statistics right here where it shows you if you're on a high risk pool or low risk pool. Obviously, it's my customers, my buyers, so I don't have complaints and all of that. It shows you numbers of emails sent, etc. Now I haven't been sending and all these emails. Newsletters from here. Okay, all these newsletters right here. Open rate is amazing. Look at that, 1,100 open, and then you can send to unopeners. You can create campaigns, drip campaigns, basically where it's transactional if you're selling something. There's 4 dashboards. Okay, the main dashboard right here. You got the affiliate dashboard where you can actually resell Systeme and bring in traffic and get paid recurring fees, lifetime. And I would suggest that. Okay, so if you got in, do promote it because they're giving, I think 40% lifetime. So if you got customers that are buying it, uh, and reviewing and all that, you get commissions, and basically your plan is for free. Plus, it's cheap and a no-brainer, and that's why a lot of people will get into it, right? A student dashboard as well, where you can actually create your courses right here, and you can enroll. There's a lot of like valuable stuff because William is brilliant, right? He's a massive guy, and he built this company, and he can teach you everything. Look at this: launch a create your course and sell it out for $9.97. He teaches you. There's a lot into it, just focused on marketing, right? Uh, and then you get, yeah, the main dashboard marketers marketplace as well, where you can see loads of legitimate people selling software, etc. Just legitimately, because early wouldn't allow anybody to place any of their courses in the marketplace. You can actually create your courses and sell to your customers, but in the marketplace to be approved, they have to go through certain criteria, right? You can create funnels right here. So I've tested some. Let me see if I can show you this funnel 1 second. So preview. You can create. So you can create this lead page, a thank you page, etc., and create steps. You know what I mean? And pick whatever you want. But let me see if I actually created a funnel right here. 1 second. Let's see. No, I didn't finish it. But these are the steps you can pick from all of these templates. And professional, imagine you just paying for designers here. It's everything is included. I'm going to show you the pricing plan in a bit. This is not going to be a long, video. Product sales, you can actually place physical products like an e-commerce store, coupons, orders, transactions like Shopify, basically for free. Courses and affiliate invoices, your own affiliate program as well. You can create it in here. It's crazy, guys. So one system for all. You can actually email your customers unlimited contacts for $97. Now there's other plans obviously that are cheaper. I'm gonna show you. Just give me 1 bit right here, and I'm back on. Okay, let me actually show you the pricing of plans, and this is special for me. 1 second. Where is it? Okay, I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna share another screen right now. 1 second. Okay, so look at that. So this is Systeme/Faraz, right? This is me. So their planning is, you can get the free plan with 2,000. Imagine you can actually email 2,000 contacts, unlimited email sent a month. It inboxes, so you don't have to deal with all the headaches. You can create 3 sales funnels for free. Free sale funnels, 10 sale funnel steps, a blog. You can actually create blogs from Systeme too. Crazy. Yeah, unlimited blog posts. That's for free. Okay, that's the free plan. And then you have the startup plan, which gives you 5,000 contacts, which you can email 100 a month. Or the $47 per month, 10,000 contacts, unlimited, and there's the unlimited contacts, unlimited email sending, unlimited everything. I actually took on this, but the yearly plan that Aurelian gave me. So this page is actually mine, okay, for Faraz, for my customers. Those pricing are grandfathered for my customers until the end of July, okay? 12-month. That's the plan I got, $828. So if we want to calculate 97 times 12, that's around $1,200. This is $828, so I'm saving around $450, $60, okay, per year, and I don't have to deal with anything. Look, everything is unlimited: contacts, email sent, sales funnels, sales steps, everything unlimited in this plan. Like, whoa! They even provide free migration, one-on-one kickstart coaching session, guys. These plans you would never find anywhere on earth. They got unlimited file storage space, unlimited everything, no transaction fees. You pay no transaction fees to the platform, nothing. Crazy, okay? I'm using this. I recommend it. I want to show you very quickly. They got an annual plan as well. Right here for the starter plan, which is the 5,000 contacts, is $228 per year, and you get all these, as you can see here, Trustpilot 4.8 out of 5, trusted by 9,000 plus users. Those are actually that did go to Trustpilot and the reviews. You can actually check it on Google. You get all these bonuses as well from Aurelian directly just for signing up with my link. and explains everything, shows you everything else as well. I'm gonna show you one more thing. Let me just remove that right here. I'm back. Okay, let me show you right here. I believe, yes, right here. Okay, one second, right here. Yeah, let's share. Okay, stop screen, share screen. Let's go. So, we've got here a comparison table. So look at the comparisons, at the number of companies that you would compare Systeme with, okay, as an alternative. It would compare with Clickfunnels, MailChimp, Funnels, Podia, HubSpot, Aweber, GetResponse, Leadpages, MoveSend, SendinBoost, Instapage, Thrivecart, Ontraport. You're getting everything in one, right? DropFunnels, MemberPress, Divi, Deadline Funnels, Wix, Elementor, OptimizePress, MemberPro, high level, and you can check each link. Systeme versus Katra as well, Kajaba, WordPress, Conflict, Control, all of them. Hotmart, Gumroad, MailerLite. There's actually some companies that you've never heard of that are on here. It gives you can compare them actually and check this page. It's called systeme.io/compare. Okay. We've got until Aurelian actually given me until the end of this month, July. So you can go in and grab your share. Like if you want the yearly, you can go for the yearly. If you want the monthly and you don't want to pay like $828 right now, $97 a month, well, you get everything. So you can cancel Clickfunnels if you use it. You can cancel any other platform you use and just use that one platform, unlimited everything for $97 a month. I took it though. I don't have. I have only 15,000 contacts, right? But I'm growing and my business keeps growing. Everywhere. I'm entering TikTok arena basically, and I'm gonna be able to bring a lot of audiences from there, and it's gonna explode obviously. And with time, I don't want to pay more. Business is about expenses too, as long as it's compared with quality, and that's why I like Systeme, and that's why I'm associating with the company. A beautiful platform, very easy to use. You just have to, get the account and reach out to them. They're gonna ask you your website, and that's it. You get approved, and you start sending. And you can use all the features in there. You can create the funnels in a snap and get a campaign going. You can add Google Pixels as well, Facebook Pixels into those sales funnels too. Crazy, guys. I love it, and I'm about to head out. Thank you so much for watching, and my apologies, I haven't been active on YouTube for like over 10 days now. I just couldn't make any kind of videos, and I'm glad I'm back and in action. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.